Hello scholars, how are you? This is Mr. CL Gautam on YouTube channel English Confluence. Scholars, today I am going to share very important topic, that is fire on the mountain. This video is going to be very helpful to all the candidates. So without getting delay, let's get started video. Fire on the Mountain, Anita Desai. Introduction. Fire on the Mountain is a novel of 1977 by Anita Desai, an Indian writer. Desai has been recognized 3 times on the Booker Prize shortlist and is a British Guardian Prize winner. Fire on the Mountain received a Sahitya Akademi Award. Nanda Kaul. Scholars, this is very important character from this novel. Nanda Kaul. The novel focuses on an elderly widow's isolation and loneliness, as it tells the story of Nanda Kaul, who lives in Kasauli and leads a solitary existence. The old woman Nanda lives alone in a colonial house on a hill. She lets no one enter in her isolated life. She had spent many years caring for her husband, their children, and many grandchildren. She is an intelligent woman, widow of a university vice chancellor. In the narrative present, she is at the end of her life and wants nothing more than to be left alone in her remote house, Carinano, where she sought to hide from her past and find inner peace through isolation and detachment from human isolations. Nanda Kaul led an extravagant life. She was raised in high caste and was educated by English governess and played badminton on huge stage with her childhood friend Iladas. As an adult, she was married to Vice Chancellor of University in Punjab, and they lived in a big house that was always busy with guests and children. During this period, Nanda Kaul managed everything, and all of her time was devoted to running the house, and which she felt was a huge burden. The house was always crowded with children, grandchildren, guests, and responsibilities, and she was always at the center of them and led a very busy life by catering to the needs of everyone around her. To the eyes of outside world, Nanda had a splendid life, but in reality, she led a meaningless and unsatisfying life. The vice chancellor had an illicit relationship with another woman, Miss David. In order to maintain his reputation in the social circle, he demanded Nanda to continue living with him. She was used as a mere object of entertainment. Raka came to her life. Raka is the granddaughter of Nanda Kaul. Nanda's daughter Asa and Asa's daughter Tara are passive characters who appear only through letters. Tara is Raka's mother. As Raka, observing her drunken father beat her mother, she has not developed the ability to trust in others. Fire on the Mountain is written in 3 parts, and each part introduces a woman character: Nanda Kaul, Raka, and Iladas. All three women characters undergo a conflict within their own self. These women try to abscond, run away from the bond of relations, and society in order to search their lost identity. So, scholars, I hope this video will be very helpful to you. So, difficult words are given here. Its meanings in Hindi I have written you. So, this will help you. Okay, thank you. Who is Ila Das in the Fire of the Mountain? Answer. Ila Das is a social worker and Nanda Kaul's old friend. She leads a life filled with a series of miseries and misfortunes. Although her family was wealthy, rich, Her brothers wasted away their inheritance money and forced the two sisters out of their house. She has a shrill and loud voice as well as a club foot, which makes her subject of laughter and jibes. Whenever she goes, wherever she goes, she is kind and hardworking. She works as a welfare officer in the village in Kasauli. She is raped and killed after she protests against child marriage. Who is Raka? Answer. Raka is Nanda's great granddaughter, left to Nanda after her parents, an abusive father and oppressed mother, moved to Geneva. While Raka is recovering from typhoid, she is reticent, independent, and unlike other children, finds refuge in nature rather than the company of her peers. She is extremely caring towards animals, loves to explore, and is very careful of her great grandmother's proposal. Her life with her parents deeply scared her, leading her to prefer scenes of devastation. At the end of novel, she sets fire on the mountain.